going on, you guys? So this is my 2002 Super Glide, and today we just got in the mail a new Saddlemen seat for her. So curious to see what it looks like. Been waiting for when they got it made and heard great reviews about the seats, so I thought give it a shot, try it out, and see how it looks. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so we're in the shop. Like I said, saw this online and I really like the style. I got the tuck and roll seats with added space gel and stuff, so all the extra goodies. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Beautifully made. I'm extremely impressed with how quick they got it made and followed me through the whole process. And you know, it came with stickers too, so you can't beat that. And heck yeah, I got the black stitching on it. Take a second to appreciate the quality. So obviously, now I need to wash the bike, and it looks a lot better in my opinion. Man, that is sharp. Well, I'll be taking it for a cruise very shortly. Maybe I'll get some footage of that and go from there. Other than that, super easy install, and I am extremely impressed. So, awesome deal.